Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be covering on how to place photos into Photopea. So I'm going to go over to my class folder. It's not the same as yours, but everything's going to seem very normal here. We got a class. We got the classwork. I would go there. Remove. We're going to go select removing backgrounds of 20 images of fruits. And there's a lot of information: saving Photopea projects, downloads folder, how to change, as well as placing photos into Photopea. And I'm also going to give it making a video for it. So remove background, fruit remove background, PSD. Going to click on that. Open with Photopea. And okay, it's loading. You see this here? Just scroll if you see the top up here. Just scroll. Okay, so we're going to go to, I have all my fruit saved into a folder already. So I'm going to go File, Open in Place, and go to Downloads here. I have the fruit files here, and you can see there's a couple different folders. I know this is the one with it in. I'm going to select the first one. I will use keyboard shortcut Control, press the Control key and A. Click Open, and give it a moment or two. You're going to be like, holy moly, Mr. Horton, that's a lot of artwork. It is. And give it a second, because when I selected it, there was about 26 of them. So that seems to be everything. Once I've got that done, you're going to notice there's little boxes here on it. And when I go on the plum here, the bounding box here, I can go with the magic wand, select, and I'll hit backspace, and it says smart object must be rasterized. So I will select this one, right click, and choose rasterize. Now that once that's done, I can delete that one. I'll background on it. I'm going to turn this one off, make it easy. Go to the next one, right click, rasterize, and then select the background on it. It's the apple. Yes. So I'm going to select over here. I'll first go and get rid of these marching ants and go select, deselect. And click here, press delete. Over here, I'm going to press delete, select there, hit backspace. I'll do Control plus, zoom in. And I'm going to go select this one here, get rid of it, because I really don't want it. Now, an easy way, because a lot of these have white backgrounds to see everything here, folks. And one more time. If you need to, just use an eraser, because it might save you some time. I will do deselect here, and I will just go to the eraser tool here. And it's a little small, so I will go up here and make it bigger. You can also right-click, 2 fingers, mouse right-click, or 2 fingers. Both will do the same. So I get rid of it like that. Clean up the background. Now, if you want to see what you're working with, and if you deleted everything, I'm going to turn off the background layer, and it's not quite as dramatic until I do it like this. So that way the grid is there. Just leave it off for the time being. It'll make it easier. I'll turn this one off, go to the next one here. Now, you might be saying, okay, Mr. Horner, is there a faster way to rasterize these? So I've got the kiwi here. I'll go Edit, Transform, and I'm going to move my portrait once more. And Transform Scale, drag it out a little bit. And go to my magic wand, select the background. You guys see the kiwi is probably going to be the harder one to do. Just because as I get closer in, I'm going to have to go with an eraser and delete it, or use the lasso tool, which I'm not going to go into right now. I just want to move up. That's when you select too much. Now, I'm going to say I'm done with that one just to finish up. Now, the rest of these, if I click here on the top one of these, scroll down, I'm not touching anything. I'll press the Shift key. I will click down on the guava here, the bottom of them with the box here. Click. I can right click and rasterize. And they're all rasterized. Then I can edit them all very quickly. So the banana will get done here. And I got to go to banana here, one layer at a time. Press backspace. I'm going to delete them all. I will go File, Save, Google Drive. And make sure it's there. I made sure my account is signed in here. That's good. It's yellow. Yellow's good. It says my name, email address, and log out. Do not log out. Then finally, I'm going to File, Save as PSD, and just click Save. And you're going to do all the fruits, remove all the backgrounds from them, then save it. Make sure you submit it to when I'm ready to go. I will go over to my class. I'm in Mr. Jacobson's class here. This is the assignment I'm going to submit it to. And I will go to Add or Create and Google Drive. Should be up here. For fruit, remove background and insert. Once it's in there, you're not going to see a picture. That's okay. Click Turn In. You must add or attach. If you do not add or attach, you will not get credit for it. Hope that helped. I hope this helped. Take care.